In conversation with media persons on Friday, the MLA of East Shillong Constituency, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, had spoken on issues that are currently doing their rounds in the state of Meghalaya. On the illegal coal mining that is rampant in the state, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh said that the irregularities in coal continue to surface as a debate, but at the same time she is hopeful that the ruling of the High Court will be followed in toto.
True, irregularities in coal continue to surface as a debate. But fact of the matter remains, a legislator cannot opine on matters of coal without being the authority to actually comment on these irregularities that everybody is talking about. I have faith that the government has said that it is doing the necessary to ensure that these irregularities are being corrected. Now I have to just hope that the rulings that have come from the Honorable Apex High Court will be followed in toto. I hope that we will be now slowly progressing into a stage where there is no more illegal but legal transportation of coal. All of these debates are beyond my understanding, and it will be wrong on my part to unnecessarily condemn. You must have noticed I have never ever spoken about coal because my knowledge is very limited.
While answering queries on the irregularities at the ISBT Maoyong, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, while stating that she is an MDA government supporter, informed that she will make it a point to inquire into the shortcomings that were recently reported on the construction of the interstate bus terminal at Maoyong.
I've not even gone to the ISBT, so how can you even say that I've gone soft? I don't even know whether this is correct or incorrect. I will inquire, I will find out, but there are so many other irregularities of this nature that have always occurred to one or the other government. Even when we were in government, so many irregularities, so many allegations come against us. We're fighting them, we continue to work on them, we continue to correct them. So let us see what the outcome is. But yes, do not be disappointed. I am pro-MDA and I will do whatever it takes for me to explain that some of the debates that are currently being talked about may not always be completely true.